RM Education has been in business for over 40 years, serving schools across the UK.
We manufactured hardware for schools, and we've seen that market change an enormous amount over the last 40 years.
Every school is different. Particularly in the UK, we have a really fragmented school system, and some pretty simple questions. Where are they now? Where do they want to get to in a year's time? Where do they want to get to in 5 years' time?
Although technology itself has changed a huge amount, I think the core needs for teachers of simplicity and reliability have kind of remained the same all the way.
Let me tell you a little bit about one of our products we're working at the moment, which is Buzz. With devices nowadays, it's really a bit of a game changer. When I was at school, and even when I go to schools nowadays, we have this idea that children and teachers go to IT. It's just quite extraordinary. When I'm at home, I don't go to IT, and when the kids I deal with at home, they don't go to IT, but in school, they go to IT. And what we're going to see more and more is that the IT will travel around with the children. So the children will go home, they'll take some IT home with them from school, they'll go on a field trip, they'll take the IT to the field trip. That's a whole different thing to manage, particularly in terms of safety, because if you go to IT in a school, we can have an on-site service, which means that that child is filtered on the machine. If we take the device away from school, we have to find a way that we can manage that child while they're using the device at home on the field trip. Chromebooks enable us to do that at scale at a really low price point, based on a filtering system which is manageable by the teacher or by the admin. So we can now enable on 1,000 devices, 3,000 devices, 5,000 devices, a really simple way that we can allow children not to go to IT, but to have IT with them. So no matter where they are, they have the IT with them, but they're filtered while they have the IT with them.
In the core needs for children and teachers is, simplicity, ease of use, reliability, and then I think now, lots of schools, budget cuts as well, they're really tight. And so I think solutions like Chromebooks, HP Chromebooks, are a really good way of allowing the best that the internet can offer, reliability, but also making it good value for money for schools in times when they've got tight budgets.
We've seen some major changes at RM over 40 years. The biggest single inflection, and this is happening right now, every single school in the UK will go to the cloud. It's going to completely change the way that schools look at their IT, and as a business, we think that we can really help schools to do that in the best way.